What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can change the language of the Revolut app. So let's get started. Also, if you guys are interested in stock market investing or stock trading with zero fees, you can open an account with Trading212 and use the promo code from the description below to get one free stock worth up to $100, euros or pounds depending on your currency. And now let's continue. So to change the language on Revolut, you would first need to go onto your profile icon in the upper left corner, right here. And from here, just scroll down until you can see the appearance feature. So just go ahead and click on appearance. And here you have all your appearance settings in one place. So to change the language, just tap on the language icon. And then click on go to settings right here. So the menu that just popped up. From here, the app will lead you to your app language settings. So these are specific settings just for the Revolut app. So you can just leave it on the system default settings, so the language that is used on your whole mobile system, or you can change it to English, Spanish, or any language that you wish from the language menu. And that's guys how you can change your language on the Revolut app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.